Okay, hello everyone. How are you today? And thank you for asking. Okay. Before we start our class today, let's pray together so we can have a clear mind and focus. Please close your eyes and let's pray. Okay. So, I think I'm going to take the attendance. So when I call your name, please say present, okay? Please. Julia, present. Julia, present. Ustaz, present. Debbie, present. Matika, present. Salah, present. And Fairuz.
Present.
Okay, I think everyone is very good class. Okay guys, I think before we start our lesson, I think I see most of you is like Alright. Because I am so full in breakfast. Okay. Okay. Let's bring up our energy with one song. So, this song is called I'm Ready. So when I say, are you ready? Are you ready? You are, yes we are, yes we are. Very close over here, and so far, really, really good. The song is like this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes we are, yes we are. Very well so learning, very well so learning. Here we go, here we go. Okay? Okay. Let's sing together. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
We are. Yes, we are. Ready for some learning. Ready for some fun. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, use your hands. Okay. Alright. Before we get started into today's lesson, let's review what we learned last week. Can anyone remind me what we discussed last time? Yes, so we discussed about element of industry. As you move forward to today's lesson, like we look through imagery. What did you see, guys? Actually is salt mixed with sand. So, when you're at home and someone accidentally mix sand with salt, can you extract the salt? How would you? How would you extract the salt? Extract the salt. Yes, extract the salt from the sand. You know? Okay. You will go after burning. Yes. Okay. Today we will read about this. What is identifying types of pressure and then determine appropriate separation methods and perform simple separation experiment and then reflect and apply the concept to real life situation. And then I have submitted a video and a volume in the Google Classroom. Have you seen it? Yes. Okay, good. And then in the Google Classroom, I asked you to bring lecture at home. You bring the lecture?
Yes.
Okay. Good one. What mixture did you bring? What mixture did you bring? Okay. And then the last three? Salt water. Okay, salt water. Okay, I think every group is bring the mixture. Okay, guys. Are you curious what we are going to do right now? Yes. Okay. So I have some exciting news for you. What? So today we have a mission.
Wow.
What is mission? Okay, it's you try to separate the next one that you will overcome. Oh, yes, okay. Yes. And then before you go to the experiment, I will give you a worksheet. Okay guys, do you achieve the worksheet? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to explain. So today you will do two activities. And then the first activities you will do in a group, and the second activities you will do individually. And then first I will explain about the first activity. Okay, so as you see in your worksheet, the activity one is you will identify the problem question that you have identified in Google Classroom that you have seen in class 3. Yeah. Okay, and then you fill the hypothesis of your experiment, and then also you list all materials in your experiment and design the procedure of step by step you use in your experiment. Okay, and then after that, after you do the experiment, you write the result in the table here, and then you write the okay. Do you get it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. If you have any difficulties or any problem, please come to me. Okay, so please let's start the experiment. Okay, the group one. Dirty water. Dirty water. What will I do with this in this experiment? So what will the action? The experiment. Yes. Continue the experiment. Group two. Yes, please.
Bill, can you help us?
Yes.
No. No, no.
Okay, group two.
It's water. It's a water and oil mix.
Okay. What method did you use in this separation?
Decantation means
Okay, good. Did it work?
yes.
Okay, good job. Continue the experiment.
Okay, miss.
Okay, what method did you use in this experiment?
Okay, in this experiment, we use the evaporation method. So we try to vaporize the water from the salt water, so we could get the salt from the water.
Okay, good. Did it work?
It is kind of work because, as you can see, the salt from the salt water is the water is vaporized, and then the salt already dissolved from the water, and now the thing that left in this spoon is the crystal of the salt.
Okay, good. Continue your experiment, yes. Good. Please continue your experiment, okay? Does anyone have a problem with the experiment? Yes, please.
Our group, because after we do the filtration, it is still dirty.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You must analyze, yes, what the problem of your tools for separating the mixture.
Okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay,
It's
it's
okay.
okay.
It's not successful, it's okay. You will learn about this. It's okay, it's okay. Please continue. Okay, attention guys. Have you finished all your experiment?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now please worksheet that I give you. Okay? I gave you 5 minutes. Is it now? Okay, miss. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, have you finished the worksheet?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, please, one group representative can come forward to represent the results. Okay? Please, group 1, group 2, and group 3. One representative. Okay, so you only present the result at the table. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, start from group 1. Sorry, miss. Oh, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, I'm from group 1 and the result. Name of mixture is dirty water, soil and water. The mixture of soil and water. The table of mixture is extraction method is filtration. Yes, and our filtration result. And our experiment is not success because the roof is not tight enough.
Okay, good. Yeah. When you into your experiment not success,
Yes.
so you learn new things, right? With your experiment, and then you identify the problem of your experiment. Okay, it's good. It's okay. It's okay. Good job, group 1. Give me applause, guys. Okay, and then group 2, please present your.
Okay. From experiment that we did, the name of feature is oil and water. Type of feature is heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. Aspiration method is called differentiation. Right? Then the observation result is the oil floating on top and the water released from bottom using a pump.
Okay, good. Okay, and then the last one, group 3.
Okay, so in our group practice, the mixture that we make is salt water, and the type of mixture is homogeneous. The separation method is evaporation, and then the result is the water is separated from the evaporation, and then white salt crystals are made in the spoon.
Okay, good. Okay, good job, guys. Give applause. From the 2 years in. Okay, now please look at the screen. So, we're gonna recall about mixture. So, mixture is composite of two or more substances that are combined, yet can still be separated into original parts. Mixture is contains of homogeneous and heterogeneous. And then, yes, did you know the mixture can be separated like the experiment that you have done. The first is filtration. So the filtration is usually used to separate solids from liquids from heterogeneous mixture. The basis of separation is the particle size difference, and then the concept is a filter traps the solids and the liquids as two. This is same like the group 1. Group 1 is using this method to separate solid and water, right? And then the other example is coffee. When we gonna separate the coffee with the grounds, we use this. Okay. And then the third is omijati. Omijati is from Korean. I hear in this class there is a student from Korea. Who is this? Okay. Did you know this? Yes. Omijati. Yeah. Oh yes, usually drink it. Okay. Okay guys, so omijati is basically tea made with cranberries. in the Korea, right? Yeah. And then second is decantation. So decantation is method to separating liquids from solids by slowly pouring out the liquid. It strongly depends on a gravitational force and density difference. A larger density particle are below and then smaller is above. And then this is the same like a group two, right? You guys try to separate the water and oil, and then using this method. Is this work?
Yes, please.
Okay, good. And then the other example is water and mud. And then the third example is mercury. Mercury is ammonia, right? Yes, yeah.
Yes.
It's made from rice, carbon rice. Yes. Yes. It's usually use this method to separate the solids and the liquids. Okay. And then third is evaporation. So evaporation is method to vaporize liquids fully behind dissolved solids. It depends on boiling point. This is in real life we use this to make salt. Like with tree, you use this metal like yes, to make the salt. Yes. There is another method that we don't practice in this class, but you guys important to know in this method. The first is distillation. So distillation is infused heating the mixture from the vapor and then cooling the vapor to collect the purified liquid. And then it's produced a higher liquid distillate and used with high substances with higher boiling points. As you can see, this is tools to distillate. And then the example is soju. Soju is actually an alcoholic Korean drink. Yes,
I cannot drink.
yes, but you cannot drink it, right? Okay. And then it's centrifugation. So centrifugation is a process that uses centrifugal force to separate substances of different densities in texture. This typically results in a pellet at the bottom and of the cup, and then supernova above. This is used when you cannot separate a blood. Like this. And then chromatography. And then it works by passing the mixture through a vacuum where the components move at different speeds, resulting in direct separation. The components of the mixture travel at different speed, creating a texture that looks strong. As you can see in the screen, this is the start and then the finish is like this. The color is fading. And then the last is magnetic separation. So the magnetic separation is a process to use to separate magnetic materials from magnetic ones using a magnetic force. So it's only work with substances that have magnetic properties like iron, nickel, and copper. The example is when we separate sand and iron. We use the magnet and then the iron and the sand is separate. So you have learned about the type of mixture separation now, and then remember the key from this method is understanding the type and then properties of each mixture. Okay, so our experiment and our activity 1 are done. Then I will explain a little bit about activity 2. The activity 2 you do it yourself at home. Okay, so this activity 2 is like this. In the activity 2, there is one question that you should choose a real life situation that use a separation of mixture, and then you describe how the step of this separation. Okay. Do you get it? Anyone want to ask question?
I want to ask you, can I mix with Korean English when write the name of the picture?
Yes, you can mix Korean and English with your right language. So the activity is here. you think of any traditional clothing activity, and then you can write it in Korean and English. Okay?
I mix.
Yes, you can mix it.
Okay. Thank you, Miss. Supaya bisa menulis just
You can write that on English, and then the activity is just with the different results, and then you come back at another slide, and then you can decide if you want it. But you get it.
That is your task. The activity two. Don't forget to submit at the Google Classroom that I made for you.
And then there is a quiz, but you do the quiz at home, okay? So you can scan this barcode and then you do this at home, okay?
Yes.
Okay. To end this lesson, does anyone want to conclude what you learned today? Yes, Agnes.
Okay, so with this experiment, we learned the different expression method used depending on the type of and place of the mixture.
Yes.
First, the protection is effective for spreading solid form liquid. The combination works well for spreading invisibility with different density. The evaporation is useful for spreading dissolved solid form liquid. And each method takes advantage of physical properties such as optical size, solubility, and density to achieve inspiration.
Okay, good at this. Give a pause on this. Okay, guys, so we are here to the end of this lesson. Today, you will not just learn by how to do, but you do it by yourself, like with the experiment, right? Okay, thank you guys for your participation. To end this class, please give a close again to ourselves, okay? Okay guys, thank you very much. Next week, we will learn about something even cooler like this. Are you curious, guys? Yes? Okay, stay tuned for the next video, okay? Okay guys, thank you for today. I hope you all doing well and don't forget to submit the assignment, okay? Okay guys, thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.